A broken bank link in Empower usually happens when your bank login changes, the connection expires, or Empower can't refresh your transaction data from your account. By the end of this, you'll know how to reconnect your bank, fix syncing errors, and confirm that Empower is pulling your data correctly again. Start by opening the Empower app and checking your bank connection status. If it shows disconnected or not syncing, the app can't access your transactions or income data. Next, open your bank app and confirm your login still works normally. If you recently changed your password or enabled new security settings, that alone can break the connection. Go back into Empower and select the option to reconnect your bank. Log in using your current banking credentials, not saved or old login details. If the connection fails again, remove the bank entirely from Empower and start the linking process from scratch. This clears outdated permissions that often cause repeated sync issues. Next, check if your bank is sending any security alerts or verification requests. Some banks require you to approve third-party access before data can be shared. If you see a prompt about account access or data sharing, make sure Empower is fully authorized. Also check your recent transactions inside Empower. If nothing is updating, the connection is still not active even if it looks linked. Make sure your Empower app is fully updated from your App Store. Older versions can fail to sync properly with newer bank security systems. If you use multiple bank accounts, confirm you are linking the correct one, tied to your income. Wrong account selection is a common reason for missing or broken data. Next, sign out of Empower and sign back in. That forces a full session refresh and can clear temporary connection errors. Avoid repeatedly reconnecting your bank in a short time. Too many attempts can trigger security blocks from your bank and delay reconnection even longer. If everything looks correct but the bank link is still broken, contact Empower support. Provide your account email, bank name, and a clear description of the issue shown in the app. Those details help support identify whether the problem is caused by bank restrictions, expired permissions, or a system sync failure. To sum it up, check your login credentials, reconnect your bank, reauthorize access, and reset the connection if needed. Next, open Empower and confirm that your transactions are updating before using any advanced features again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Empower tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.